Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the cycle bar indicator for MT4. Okay, so now if you want to download this indicator, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, extract the indicator file. Okay, decompress the folder, remove the indicator file from there, and then just go to your data folder. Okay, when you get to your data folder, you navigate to MQL4. All right, then you get to indicators and you paste the indicator in here, right? The indicator file, whether it's the EX4 or the MQL4 source file. After that, you head over to your navigator and just refresh. Okay, so after refreshing, just look for cycle bar. All right, as you can see, this is the cycle bar. Just drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. Then for the input settings, you can customize your price action filter, the length, cycle strength, use cycle filter if you want true or false, whether you want it enabled or disabled, right? And then as for the use filter SMA or RSI, you can set the value, filter strength, SMA, filter strength, RSI. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like, right? Okay, it may not fill up the entire indicator window, but you will notice that when necessary, it drops something for you, right? So this indicator is designed to identify market rhythm, okay, and possibly cyclical bar patterns, so you can be able to spot potential turning points. All right, now remember that no indicator is perfect, no indicator guarantees profit, and based on what we can see here, the indicator might be better suited for swing traders, right? Because if you are a scalper, the more you go to a lower time frame, you will likely not find a lot of information for you, right? But as you climb to higher time frames from the H4 and better the D1, all right, you can see the D1, the W1, and the monthly, right? So most especially the daily time frames, weekly time frames, and monthly time frames are where you find more information, okay? But the H4 is also manageable, right? So you will notice that there are, quick successions of these red and green bars, right? A quick successions of the red and green bars. So in the indicator might be a little bit confusing at times, okay? It might be a little bit confusing at times, but what you should be paying attention to are the confirmations that you get on your chart, okay? You should be paying attention to your confirmations, and then when a bar appears, whether it's a green bar or a red bar, the color that appears, you should look for a confirmation with respect to that color. If you get a confirmation, then perhaps you can consider executing a trade, setting your stop loss and your take profit accordingly. For example, if you notice a green bar appear here, what I meant by getting a confirmation in line with the color that appeared is if you get a green bar appear, look for bullish confirmation, right? So in this case, you can see we had a morning star, right? So this would have been a good place to buy. Stop loss obviously should be below that pattern. Your take profit can be around, resistance zones, or if you have any other strategy for exiting your trades, okay? But these quick successions of green and red, obviously shows that, the colors are not reliable, right? They're not reliable. So that's the reason why I think your emphasis should be on your price action confirmation or any other confirmations that you can get, okay? Or if there is a special modification of the settings that you know about, maybe you can do that to assist you with how the indicator functions. All right, so guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.